How to install Putty in Windows 10. Now, Putty's an SSH client, or Secure Shell, SSH, also known as Secure Socket Shell, which is a protocol that allows administrators a secure way to access a remote computer. Both Linux and Mac operating systems have this built in. However, in Windows, we need a third-party application to achieve this. For the purpose of this video, like I said, we'll be using Putty. So this is how we install Putty in Windows 10. So let's go ahead and open up your browser of choice, and we're going to head over to www.greenn.org.uk/sgtatham/putty/latest.html. Don't worry, I'll include the link in the description below. All right, on this page, what we want is just the client itself. That's all we need. Real light, real simple. So let's go over to where it says putty.exe, the SSH and Telnet client itself. And we're going to click on putty.exe. And now this will initiate the download. That's pretty much it. So once it's downloaded, let's go ahead and show it in folder. We can close Chrome or whatever browser you were using. I'm just going to drag it over to the desktop for the case of this video. If you follow my videos after this, this is what we're going to be using on the Windows side. I'm going to most likely be using Linux and the terminal within Linux, but this is going to make you achieve the same thing I'm doing. So let's go ahead and open it and run it. And we have Putty installed, and we are able to SSH into a remote server. Thanks for watching. Wiredzero out.